Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to hide notifications on our cover screen but leave screen notifications on. So we are going to open settings menu. Here we have notifications and lock screen notifications are right here. When we go here, when we change our lock screen from on to off, we have this little pop-up screen. So when we turn on notifications, the phone is asking, turn on notifications, also show notifications on cover screen. Let's not. So right now our notifications are turned on, but on the phone, but not on our cover screen. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.